Namaskar to all of you. This is Mayank and I welcome you all of you in my session. Friends, in this session we are going to talk about our festival which we are celebrating, that is Vakbaras. The festival of Vakbaras આપણે સેલિબ્રેટ કરીએ છીએ સરસ્વતી માતાની વંદના સાથે. Why do we have a Vandana of Saraswati Mata? Friends, we know money has its own power and money would remain with us definitely, and we need money in our life. But the festival of Vakbaras gives us message that Goddess Saraswati, the moment you acquire, the moment you get knowledge, that knowledge would remain with us till our last breath. જે પણ જ્ઞાન, જે પણ ઉપદેશ આપણે મેળવીએ છીએ જીવનમાં, જે પણ ગુણો આપણે મેળવીએ છીએ જીવનમાં, આ તમામ ગુણો, તમામ જ્ઞાન આપણી પાસે જીવનના છેલ્લા શ્વાસ સુધી રહે છે. અને એટલા જ માટે વી આર સેલિબ્રેટિંગ વાઘબારસ, ગોડેસ સરસ્વતી વંદના દિવસ. ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, suppose we have lots of money in our bank balance. It's a saying કે લક્ષ્મી ચંચળ હોય છે. લક્ષ્મી ચંચળ હોય છે, that means it comes and it goes. The moment you spend money, you would have empty balance. The moment you spend money, you would have empty pocket. But when it comes to Saraswati, when it comes to knowledge, when it comes to Gnan, the more Gnan and more reading you would have, this knowledge would remain with us and would enrich our life also. Vakbaras. We celebrate this festival in honor of Goddess Saraswati. We do Saraswati Vandana on this day. This Hindu festival gives us clear-cut message that knowledge would give you your own way. Knowledge would take you in your own path, no matter from where you learn. Friends, જ્યારે લર્નિંગની વાત આવે, we have to learn from every direction. We can learn from a child also. We can learn from an old age person also. Learning has no its limit. Learning has no boundary. Learning is everywhere. And I believe knowledge is the currency of 21st century. In the same way, English is the currency of the 21st century. આપણને ખબર છે કે ઇંગ્લિશ ઇઝ ધી કરન્સી ઓફ 21st સેન્ચુરીમાં ઇંગ્લિશનો સિક્કો ચાલવાનો છે. So today, on the festival of Vakbaras, on the festival of Goddess Saraswati Vandana, let's take one take-home message. Let's decide one promise. Let's give one promise to ourselves that we would learn this language at its power and we would use it, we would practice this language. With the same message, I would like to say all of you, wishing you a happy Deepavali and safe Deepavali. You fire firecrackers no matter, and you light lamps, and make sure this Deepavali you light a lamp of knowledge in your life. On the festival of Vakbaras ના દિવસે આપણે પોતાની જાતને એક પ્રોમિસ આપીએ કે લેટ્સ હેવ વન દિયા પ્રજ્વલિત ઇન અવર લાઈફ, અને એ દીવાનું પ્રજ્વલિત જે છે એ જ્ઞાનના દીવાનું પ્રજ્વલિત આપણા જીવનમાં આપણે કરીશું. And speak English, keep learning, keep watching the videos which are coming on my channel and improve your learning. Thank you very much for giving your time. Thanks a lot. Wishing you all happy Vakbaras, wishing you all happy Deepavali, and wishing you all happy learning. Thank you very much.